Now we're going to proceed to the installation of the interior safety chains. We're going to try to install the chain to the center of the wheel as much as possible. We're going to find an area on the A-arm, preferably as centered as possible. In this case, we're going to use this position. This position is almost centered with the wheel. The chains are always longer than what they need to be, so we're going to try to find the ideal length. You always need to be able to put one link inside the other link. In this case, this is the right length, so we're going to take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 links. For the purpose of the video, we already have pre-cut a chain to the right length. We have pre-cut 6 links. Now we're going to install it, so we're going to wrap it around the A-arm. So as we planned before, we're going to be able to insert the link inside the other link. The rubber is there to reduce the vibration of the chain. Now you will need to insert the threaded chain link and close it. Tighten and your chain is now installed. As you can see now, the chain cannot go sideways and will always stay in place, and it can now stay there permanently. Now for the installation of the chain on the rear axle, the best position would be in between the leaf springs, right beside the U-bolts. Before you install the chain, make sure there's no wires or brake hose or any obstructions. So we're going to wrap the chain around the axle and find the right length in order to cut the chain. The ideal length is going to be approximately like this, so we're going to slide the link inside the other link. We're going to take off 4 links. Like I mentioned before, for the purpose of the video, we have already pre-cut another chain. We're going to install it in the right position. Exactly like we have done previously in the front, we're going to insert the link inside the other link. And then we can insert the threaded link. Then close up the threaded link. So tighten the threaded link and reposition the chain, and the installation is done.